Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to upload Facebook profile photo without cropping it. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is not to use the Facebook app that is installed on your phone. Instead, you would need to use a web browser like Safari or Google. So I'm just going to use Safari. Once you've opened a web browser, just go to Facebook website. After that, what you need to do is go to your profile by pressing the profile icon on your top left. Now that you're here on your profile, tap on the photo icon for your profile photo. Once you're here, select Upload a new photo. This will give you 3 options, but I'm just going to find a photo in my library. Once you have selected a photo, just press Done on the top right. Once you go back to your profile, you would find that it has been finally changed. If you select the photo, you would see that it's in its actual size. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.